Here is Africa. Here is one of the most beautiful in Africa. This is elephants. You see that and Africa is one of the most beautiful country in the world. It is Tanzania. It is a Tanzania. A beautiful luxuries, a beautiful sense, a beautiful things which you see now. Sometimes here will come the enemy which want to eat in this. The enemy is lying here. This is a security. It has a security because of the government keeping here the hero of the boxes. The enemy, like elephants, the lions, can't come here because of the government is keeping here. You see now, this is a evil for an evil resist darkness without fearless. The enemy cannot come here because of it has been kept by government. Usually, the lion it is the hero, but the government has made customers which want to live for here and to keep the different kinds of animals. The king of the power. The elephant is one of the most largest animals in the world. Allah has created for this a lion. You see, it is a power. It is powerful. But the lion is more intelligent than the elephants. This is a reality has known. The lion just is making exercise. It is making exercise because of he wake up from the sleepiness. That's why the lion is sometimes afraid of when the elephants is very, very, very proud from everything. Please subscribe to our channel and welcome to our channel. You will get from the advantage. We travel for the world and the most beautiful and the most magnificent lakes, rivers, and beautiful kind of the world, inshallah. Follow us and subscribe for our channel. You'll gather from advantage which about the world animals and the beautiful countries in the world. Here is one of the most beautiful places in Tanzania. Africa, it is rich for a lot of things. The elephants is one of the most dangerous and beautiful kind of animal. The government has made a procedure which they are feeding and which they are want to keep the animals priority. The animals priority is very important in your life in Africa. If we cut from live animals in our country in Africa, the continents will damage. There is a people which want to take and to kill the elephant and to make a pestilence. That's why the government I don't say government, but the most governments in Africa has killing the elephants. Subscribe for our channel. I will come to our channel.
When did you take that?